Hey guys, Ray from Thunder Beast. Very excited to show you guys the new 338 Ultra SR suppressor. This is not going to replace the 338 Ultra. This will be in addition to. The main difference being we now have a secondary retention system or QD system on the back of the suppressor. We've had an engineer working on this for 4 years. This is the culmination of 4 years work. This lock is as accurate and as repeatable as anything Thunder Beast has ever released before. Quite simple. Simply screw it on, throw the lock, and now this is bank vault tight. No wiggle, no play whatsoever. We have a patent on the detent system so that no matter where it falls, it will always fall into the right tooth. This particular rifle right here has 15, maybe 1,600 rounds of 338 Lapua through it. You can see the shoulder's clean, the threads are clean. There is absolutely zero leakage here out the back. As accurate, as repeatable as anything we've made, and this mount will allow us to start making some other products for you guys too.